Let's see what we get into here. We're in a yard that's nice and far away from people, so I don't have to worry about stirring up this colony and bothering the neighbors. You know, safety first, as with all things bees. This top box is going to be all honey. I'm going to go ahead and pop it out. Ooh, they're already coming out pretty hard, so. Alright, spicy bees. And they're cross-combed. Yeah. What a mess. So, welcome to the land of spicy bees. That's a screwed up frame. They also just have a lot of resources and haven't been touched in a long time, so they are feral, for sure. So the case is typically that they've requeened themselves, right? You get in the brood, that's where the queen's going to be. That might move quicker. This is all just honey, honey, honey. Honey, honey, honey. Honey, honey, honey. I think that could be one reason. Oh, this hive has calves. That could be one reason this colony is so spicy. Is that it's just full of honey. It hasn't been harvested. I mean, it's good to leave honey on your bees, don't get me wrong. But they will defend to the degree that they have resources. These girls have some major resources. I can find her. Look at these bees. They're pretty wrapped up. Come on, Mom. I don't want to hurt you. I just want to squish you. Might end up doing the old shake method, which is I do a fair bit. Shake all the bees down off this box. Come on, lady. Sometimes I think queen finding is as much a matter of luck as anything. Kind of use the sun to our advantage. Use the sun as our flashlight. Gotta trust your equipment. Got a good suit. This is a fancy Ultra Breeze suit. I also got these gloves on Amazon from a company called Apis Tactical. And they're like mechanics gloves that are modified for beekeeping. I really like them so far. I have been stung through them, but I've been in some crazy situations, a little bit like this one. Come on, Mama. Just a likely candidate. All this brood. Look at all that brood. Pretty, pretty brood. Gotta move kind of quick to find her, I find. But not too quick, because I'll look right past her. Boy, it's a beautiful colony. I'm gonna split the heck out of it once we find her. Just looking for the queen. Probably gonna shake them all off here in a minute, and that's something I do quite often. Boy, a lot of bees. Tons of brood. Look at all that brood. All the babies. The queen's laying like crazy. Ooh, hurts my back. There she is. She's marked yellow queen. I'm still gonna smush her. I got her. Yay. And now from here, I'm gonna make a bunch of hives. I'm back. I had to go get all my equipment so we can make some splits. So, what we have is a queenless hive here, lots of resources. I'm gonna pull 2 nucs. I'm pretty aggressive with this because I like making a lot of hives. So I'm gonna pull 2 nucs out of this and introduce new queens to all 3. So I'll need 3 new queens, 1 for the original hive and 1 for each little nuc I make. So I've got a box here. I've closed off the entrance, 8-frame box with a bottom feeder. I'm gonna take a few frames of brood, and we really want those nurse bees. So like a beautiful frame of brood like that is great. And another one, ooh, so pretty, great. And then I want a food frame. So there's a lot of honey in these upper boxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them. Now I'm a big fan of the deep and a half, the story and a half. So I put medium frames in deep boxes for the brood chamber. It's not kind of standard practice, but I'm not a very standard kind of guy. What I like about that is the bees will build comb down here, and they actually build what they want, which is usually drone comb. So 2 frames of honey, 2 frames of brood, and then I've got extra frames with a little bit of wax on it. Boom, boom. And that's a nice little nuc. Now the key is I need to get a bunch of bees in here now. So I'm going to take and shake some bees here. just enough that they can take care of their queen, their new queen. And then I brought a strap, strap this all together, and then do another one. All right, so here's our little nuke. Boom. I'm gonna let the bees out the front, and then we're basically just gonna introduce a queen and some food to these bees and hope they accept her and like her. And that's it. That's making splits, and that's my money. For my money, making splits is where it's at. I'm feeding them up. Grab a queen here. Huh, not as many bees as I'd like. I thought I got more bees, but hopefully it'll do the trick. Oh no, they're all over the combs. This frame broke. Plastic frame. So now all I'm gonna do is take the cork out of this end. So here's the queen cage. There's sugar up here. The queen is in here. This, if I take this cork out, she'll just pop out. So I just take this cork out right here. And all I do is take it, push it candy side down. So I just squish it in a frame like that, so they can get to her here, and that'll do it. And that, my friends,